I'm leaving that in this video. Oh my god.
It's protein parts.
That's nasty. That's our new intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adrianne.
And I'm Dion.
And if you're feeling my vibe,
please subscribe.
So today we are gonna go ahead and learn some Spanish. This is a part 2 to our Spanish speaking series, I guess, or our language learning speaking series. I'll have the first Spanish video up here and also the Tagalog ones either up here in the cards or down below, but either way you can find them in our playlists. So in our last Spanish speaking video, Dion learned how to say the alphabet in Spanish. And today we're working on tongue twisters. How do you feel about tongue twisters?
It's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a challenge.
Yes, especially the last one. I don't have these in order, but I saved the best one for last. And just a disclaimer, I probably won't get these right either. So we're both gonna be trying them out. But he's gonna go ahead and try them out first. A little bit about Spanish and why we're doing tongue twisters today. So it turns out learning tongue twisters in that language helps you with pronunciation. Yes, I know, crazy. But if you think about it, like how much is a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That's helping you with the ch and the in English, I guess.
You mean the syllables?
Yeah, well no, because it's the how much could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. You're working on the consonants. So I have a little bit of information here. And yes, so it helps out with your pronunciation, how to perfect your pronunciation with Spanish or English or whatever language you are learning. Spanish has 39 elemental and or individual sounds.
Elemental.
Yes, that's what it says on the website that I found this information off of, which is called SpanishAcademy.com. And it also helps train the muscles in your mouth, how to form and say the words and your accent, working on your accent. So today we're going to be focusing on the vowels of Spanish with these tongue twisters, and yeah. So this is our first one. Go ahead, give it a go.
Si plancha plancha con 4 planchas. Con cuántas planchas plancha planchar? Oh, I'm supposed to read it in one go, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Si plancha plancha con 4 planchas. Con cuántas planchas plancha planchar?
Good, that was really good. Si plancha plancha con 4 planchas, con cuántas planchas plancha plancha. Oh, I didn't get that one right.
Si plancha plancha con 4 planchas. Con cuántas planchas plancha planchar?
Yeah. Si plancha plancha con 4 planchas, con cuántas planchas plancha plancha.
Which means?
If Pancha, that's her name, irons with 4 irons.
How many irons?
Irons. Or
Pancha. Sure.
yeah, how many irons? Pretty much how many irons does she iron with? I guess that's like a loose translation. Alright, that is the A vowel that we just worked on.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah.
How did you feel about that?
Bueno.
Okay, good. Alright, A, E, okay. E.
Esteban es escalador, escala y escala. Esteban el escalador de tanto escalar en una cima. Puedo.
Kido.
Huh?
Kido.
Kido?
Yeah.
Stop. Puedo.
Kido. Is it Where's your phone? Let's look it up. Yeah, but you said like Kado.
Puedo. Puedo. Quedo. See?
Okay, you were right.
Quedó. Quedó.
Quedo.
Quedo. It's quedo. Quedo. It's not dough. It's oh, quedo. Go ahead, try it again.
Esteban es escalador, escala y escala. Escala. Esteban el escalador de tanto escalar en una cima. ¿Cima?
Cima.
Cima. Chima.
It's not chima.
Cima.
Cima. Esteban es escalador, escala y escala. Escala. Esteban el escalador de tanto escalar en una cima. Puedo. Puedo.
Quedo.
Puedo.
Quedo. Quedo.
It says puedo. You just listen to it.
Quedo.
Quedó.
No, it's quedo.
No, puedo.
Quedó.
Puedo.
Quedo. No, don't
Quedo.
don't say the D as a D. It's a
Quedo.
like a TH. Quedo.
Quedo.
Get. I'm leaving that in this video. Oh my god. I'm leaving that this time.
Esteban es escalador, escala y escala. Escala. Esteban es escalador, escala y escala. Esteban el escalador de tanto escalar en una cima. Quedo.
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 Que.
Que.
Quedo.
Quedo. We're not Spain. It's quedo.
Quedó.
See?
Quedo.
I'm hearing quedo.
But it's quedo.
Since when do you say D as in
Oh my goodness, it's quedo. It's quedo.
We'll agree to disagree.
It's quedo.
Quedo.
That you. It's not a hard D, Dion.
Quedo.
Okay, anyways, on to the next.
No, you gotta read it.
Esteban es escalador. Escala y escala.
Escala y escala.
Yeah.
Okay.
Esteban es escalador.
Esteban.
Leave me alone. I
What did
have a list.
Esteban es escalador, escala y escala. Esteban es escalador de tanto escalar en una cima. Quedo.
It's Cima.
Cima, quedo.
I have a hard time with my S's. So leave me alone.
Read it.
Esteban.
Esteban Juan.
Esteban es escalador. Escala y or y escala. Esteban el escalador de tanto escalar en una. How do I gringify that? You really can't. Cima. Kado, which is how you said it. Kado.
On to
Oh.
the next one.
A-E-I. This is letter vowel. O. O.
Un dragón, dragón, trago, cab. Wait.
I'm gonna have to
What does it
bleep
mean?
that. Like mother.
Un dragón, dragón, trago, carbón. Y el Un dragón, dragón, trago, carbón y el carbón. ¿Qué trago el dragón?
¿Qué?
¿Qué trago el dragón? Dragón le hizo salir barrigón.
Okay, not bad.
Un dragón, dragón, trago. Un dragón, dragón, trago, carbón y el carbón. Que trago el dragón le hizo salir barrigón.
Guzzler. Dragon means guzzler. What does that even mean?
You're the one who wrote this, Adrian.
Oh, I copy and pasted, my dude.
Okay, your turn.
Un dragón. That's how you spell that. Un dragón. Dragon.
Dragón.
trago.
The dragon swallowed carbon. And the
Y
carbon.
el carbón que trago. El dragón. Dragón.
You should have gotten this
Le
before you.
hizo salir barrigón.
Un dragón trago carbón y el carbón que tragas el dragón trago le hizo salir barrigón.
Barrigón. The dragon swallowed
Barrigón.
coal. The coal you swallow, the dragon swallow made him come out with a belly.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It doesn't translate well. Alright. You.
Cuando cuentes cuentos, cuenta cuántos cuentes. Cuando cuentes cuentos, cuenta cuántos cuentos cuentas. Porque si no cuentas cuántos cuentos cuentas, nunca sabrás cuántos cuentos cuentas.
Good job.
Cuando. La 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 la.
Cuando cuentes cuentos, cuenta cuántos cuentos cuentas, porque si no cuentas cuántos cuentos cuentas, nunca sabrás cuántos cuentos cuentas. That one's pretty hard.
How many count? I don't know.
I don't know. Try again.
Cuando cuentes cuántos cuenta cuántos cuentos cuentas. Porque si no cuentas cuántos cuentos cuentas, nunca sabrás cuántos cuentos cuentas.
I know it's hard. Cuando cuentes cuentos cuenta. No. Cuando cuentes cuentos cuenta cuántos cuentos cuentas, porque si no cuentas cuántos cuentos cuentas, nunca sabrás cuántos cuentos cuentas.
My head hurts. My head hurts.
A-E-I-O-U.
Sometimes.
Oh,
E.
no, we skipped one of them.
Sometimes Y.
I forget which one we skipped. But that's this one.
Galina is boat, right? Gallina.
Gallina, I'm pretty sure that's hen or chicken.
Tengo una gallina pinta, pipiripinta, gorda, pipirigorda,
Oh, this is the I.
pipiripintiva y sorda que tiene 3 pollitos pintos, pipiripintos, gordos, pipirigordos, pipiripintivos y sordos. Si la gallina no hubiera sido pinta, pipiripinta, gorda, pipirigorda, pipiripintiva y sorda, los pollitos no hubieran sido hubieran sido pintos, pipiripintos, gordos, pipirigordos, pipiripintivos y sordos. ¡Amén!
Amén.
That's so hard.
I know, it's so hard. Okay, I was wrong with the A-E-I-O-U part of this. This is the I. I saved this one for last for a good reason. It's very long. Alright, I'm gonna struggle with this. Tengo una gallina pinta pipiri pinta, gorda, pipiri gorda, pipiri pintiva y sorda que tiene 3 pollitos pintos, pipiri pintos, corro, pipiricodos, pipiri pintivos y sordos. Si la gallina no hubiera sido pinta, pipiri pinta, gorda, pipiri gorda, gorda, oh my gosh, pipiri pintiva y sorda, los bollitos no hubieran sido pintos hubieran sido pintos, pipiri pintos, gordos, pipiri gordos, pipiri pintivos y sordos.
10 more times.
Oh, Jesus!
10 more times.
What does that even mean? Let's see how well Google does this.
Show everyone.
Alright, you ready? Copy and paste.
Pinchos, pipiri
Are you
pinchos.
ready? Will it not sit? No, it won't. It's too much. Okay, but it says I have a deaf, red-faced, fat, what? I don't even think this translates. Is this right? I don't think it's right, you guys. Is this even Spanish? Anyways, let's look up this word, the hubieran.
Hubieran. Would have.
Hubieran.
Alright. Well, that's it for today. For this week.
That's all my mind can handle.
Tongue twisters. How do you feel?
Pinchos, pipiri pinchos, pipiri pinchos.
Love pinchos. Pinchos are good. Ooh, maybe that's what we could try to make next. Pinchos.
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 Let us know down below if you guys want us to make pinchos. If you don't know what pinchos are, they're Puerto Rican skewers. Yeah, you can put chicken, you can put
Barbecue.
shrimp. Yeah, it's barbecue.
Oh, you know what you can do? Filipino barbecue versus pinchos.
Yeah, I don't think Canela's a fan of that. Why?
Come here, let's show your clothes.
You said pinchos, me want pinchos. I used to eat pinchos on the streets of Puerto Rico.
You know what pinchos are?
Yes.
Oh, come
Sí,
here.
me quiero pinchos.
You can show your dress too. Come here. Look at you.
Making my knee